Make decisions based on where you want to go and not where you're at right now. In our younger years, we tend to be a little bit more reactionary when it comes to decisions. We are all guilty of making decisions based on how we're feeling at that time. However, the wiser thing to do would be to make less reactionary decisions and instead make informed and thoughtful decisions about where you want to be heading. This goes back to our reaction versus our response mindset that we spoke about in an earlier video. A wise person will envision where they want to go and make the uncomfortable decisions in order to achieve the steps to get there. They don't make choices based on the place they're in right now. Anyone successful that you admire, that you might listen to their podcast or their YouTube or see them on TV, I guarantee you, made choices for themselves, not based on where they were right at the moment of making the decision, but they made the decision for where they want to go. If you spend your life reacting and making decisions for where you are not going to leave from the spot that you're in. You will not grow and you will not evolve and you will certainly not succeed, as you should. Another strand to this tip is never make a permanent decision based on a temporary emotion. We have all been guilty of writing that text, writing that letter, writing that email, sending that DM, calling that person up when we were really upset and full of emotions. I guarantee you that most people who make reactionary decisions like that based on the emotions that they're feeling right now regret it. I have been there. Something that I do that has helped me in the past and still helps me now is if I am feeling upset about something, I need to confront someone, what I'll do is I'll write out in my iPhone notes app. I will write out, get all my emotions out and write out exactly what I want to say to them. And then I delete it. Or I will write something out. I will wait 24 hours until I send it. And maybe the morning after I wrote it, I will read it through and I will really assess if this is something that I want to say, because you cannot take words back. As much as everyone likes to be really loose with their words and, freedom of speech and all that, which is true, we do have freedom of speech, although I don't know what the law is here in England for that. I'm sure there has to be like a freedom of speech thing. Anyway, you wouldn't have thought I've been here for 24 years. I'm still thinking about laws in the US. Anyway, I reread it, and if it's something that I feel like I should send, then I send it, but I wait 24 hours. And that usually helps because I usually will probably take out half of it because it was full of like emotion or rage or anger, or that's just something that helps me, and maybe it'll help you in the future if you need it.
I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me